What is morning dew, and how does it form? Morning dew is the moisture that appears as small water droplets on plants, grass, and other surfaces in the early morning hours. Formation process. Condensation. During the night, surfaces exposed to the sky cool down due to radiative cooling. As the temperature drops, the water vapor present in the air comes into contact with these cool surfaces. Saturation. When the air near the ground reaches its dew point, the temperature at which the air becomes saturated with water vapor, the excess water vapor condenses into liquid water. Droplet formation. This condensed water forms tiny droplets on the surfaces it contacts, creating the phenomenon known as morning dew. Factors influencing dew formation. Several factors influence the formation and amount of dew, including humidity. Higher humidity levels lead to more dew formation. Temperature. Clear, calm nights with lower temperatures are more favorable for dew formation. Surface properties. Surfaces that cool down quickly, such as grass blades, are more likely to have dew compared to those that retain heat, like rocks. Like, subscribe, and share.